Sabi mo, ilang layer? Wala ang time.
Nagko-compute. Yung story nun, di ba, si Joy? Ang balak niya, parang stepping stone niya lang yung Hong Kong. Mag-iipon lang siya para, para magpunta ng Canada. Oh, gets mo na. Guys, nagka-try kami mag-book online for the last full show.
Ay, nakuha nga, ayun, no?
Ang hirap mag-book na ubusan na ng seats. Kundi na lang yung natitira. Hey guys, we're planning to switch cinemas. We're thinking of SM Aura. Kasi punuan na sa High Street. Wala na kami mabili yung ticket.
Ano?
May fireworks. Guys, 5 kami. 4 lang pala yung na-book na seats. Jolagot ka. May isang hindi makakanood. Parking na. Laban ng mall to?
Marketplace.
Central Square. Dito kami sa Central Square. I don't have anything on my face. Hi! Guys! 8:20 pa lang. Schedule namin is 4:9:30. So, punta muna kami sa Raminagi para kumain. And then, it's drizzling right now. Kaya kumain kami. Kumain na kami sa Raminagi. And then, bibili na rin kami ng snacks para habang nanonood kami. Guys, sobrang daming tao ngayon. Dahil so ito kami kakain sa Juan Bonifacio Ice.
Tol.
Yun kami lagi!
Yeah.
Dante?
Hindi, palista mo na.
Guys, mag-advance fill up kami kasi pangatlo na kami sa pila. Flight lang. It's our turn! Gutom na kami, guys. Skincare muna ako dito.
Ito, pare.
Hinihintay namin yung order namin.
Ibig sabihin, di maganda yun.
4 drops.
So,
You have to shake this ball. I'm done with my skincare. This is for my lips. Ubus na nga siya eh. This is from Sunny's Face. Baliktad pala. So, this is Good Treat Jellyfish Lipstick. Tignan nyo guys. Small amount of pero nakakover niya yung blemish ko. This is from Avon sa
unang layer lang
Pili
dala.
Jelly Lipstick and the
Kaya, mamaya
shade
mali pa yun.
Magnolia Wine. Done.
1, 2.
Hello? Kayo.
Five.
This is my order.
Try mo to. Masarap.
Ano yan?
May flavor kasi.
Meron na lang kami 15 minutes to eat. Ito yung meat niya. Oh.
Okay. Takangat ko ng noodles, malamig ka agad.
Sarap.
Around $55.
Vlogging from Jam's phone kasi napuno yung memory ng akin. Guys, time check 9:35. We're 5 minutes late. Here's the cinemas.
A future with no goodbyes. I will always be there.
Kasi yung movie. Game. Ang ganda ng
Okay, may
kanta.
tatlo.
Movie done. Wala nang tao sa mall. Woo! Guys, we're here at Starbucks. This is a newly opened Starbucks. So nice. Hindi, kukunin ko lang yung kupot ko. Kasi malamig eh.
Gusto mo akong katabi?
Ala.
Nakakatakot ko naman. Gusto ko mga kutsilyo. Akala ko ito yung Glendo.
Ano? Glenda.
Gusto ko pa nga after neto eh. Sarap na sarap to. Nasaan pizza? Depende. I don't like it.
Oy.
Sarap lang.
Ako nakakailan dyan.
Alam mo.
Kundi lang. Guys, nagko-complete na sila. Kaso naguguluhan sila.
Ano, kailangan ng tulong?
Wag! Na!
Sabi ni Dodo, oh my gosh, nababaliw na kami. Kala ko kung ano sinasabi niya. Diktitan time.
Marting ka na.
Uy!
Stay lang tayo, no?
Okay na more. Ayun na.
70.
May natutulog na po. Tama mo na yung mukha ko. You know what, guys? I never really grew up with a lot of friends. I had acquaintances, but not a lot of them as well. As I grew older, I eventually realized why I am like this. I realized that I am the type of person who doesn't count my friends by number, but measures them by the quality of the relationship I have with them. I am a people pleaser. But as I grew older, I now know the difference between making yourself fit to a group by doing what you think will please them and making yourself fit to a group just by being yourself. If you make it to this part of the video, I want you to know that you don't have to change yourself just to feel accepted. All you have to do is just be yourself and know that God will put the right people in your life at the right time. People who will love and accept you for who you are.